Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Uthando Nestembu. Mseleku's birthday continued. Ugai is turning 50 and the birthday was planned by Umangwabe. Now, Umacele, being the first wife, arrived on time and Ugo showed up. After followed Umayin. Then Umakhumalo was super late when the introductions were done, and then followed Umangwabe. Yes, the one that arranged the party was the last one to arrive in J. When the speeches were almost done, Ugo was only entering. Umseleku's health seems to be deteriorating, but Ugai is adamant Ugutinje. He is going to leave this thing. But Umpumelelo had an opportunity to give an unprepared speech because Umnini decided to start crying. While Umnini was crying, Umpumelelo took over and Umpumelelo said the things that Umpumelelo was not supposed to say. But being Umpumelelo, he had to say what he had to say. But the women in their diary sessions were just brutal and mean with the comments based on Umpumelelo's statements while wishing his father a happy birthday. Abongwe Wishayile, Abongwe gave a beautiful speech which touched Umusamseluku's heart. You could see Uguti, all that the children want is for their father to live, but it was an emotional party. Is this because Umseleku is feeling sick, is feeling tired, is feeling overwhelmed? Also considering Uguti, they are saying Uguti it is the first time that he has been like this sick. Do you think Uguti Ugai is overwhelmed, or do you think Uguti vele Ugai uphambi komnyango uyahamba?